Hey, what's going on? This is your boy Charles at Chadwick Experiences. I read a real interesting book several years ago, and it's called A Students Work for C Students and Why B Students Work for the Government. This is a course by Robert Kiyosaki, very interesting guy, author, but I just want to jump right to it. We know that Apple is coming back to the United States, but would you believe if I told you that Obama had the same conversation with Steve Jobs back in 2010, and Steve Jobs advocated, why is it so hard for U.S. companies to build with all these regulations and costs? Steve Jobs, I'm going to show y'all, this is from page 391 of Robert Kiyosaki's book. He said, hey, Mr. Obama, why is it easier for companies to build in China versus the U.S.? Steve Jobs also attacked the education system as well, saying teachers should not be unionized. He said we should only have the best teachers here in America. As you see what's going on with Trump, and again, I don't pick a side. I'm just here to use the internet and to put information out that, to the best of my ability and knowledge, is factual. But right now, what is Trump doing? Apple's coming back with a $500 billion investment. Also, the U.S. Department of Education, Trump is trying to dismantle it. So my question to anybody up here, is this fact or is this people in their feelings? To me personally, this is just straight up 100% facts, with the talks of the U.S. Department of Education being defunded, and also U.S. companies coming back to the United States. What do you think? I'm willing to give a $100 cash prize. Whoever comments on this, whoever gets the most likes in this post, you agree with it or you disagree with it, you have a chance to win $100. That's what Chadwick Experience is about. I like using my platform to educate people.